Let me show you under 1 minute how do we connect Publer with Canva. Super easy. What's up people? Hope you are having a productive day. Today I will show you how to connect Publer with Canva. Super easy. On your Canva account, open this in a new tab, and on the other tab, open Publer. Now onto your Canva account, open any creative that you have created and click on these three dots, not the download, okay? And on the search bar, just click Publer and you will get Publer here. Once you get Publer, just connect it and a new tab will open. Allow access. There you go, you're connected with Publer now. That is my Publer's account, Shubhajit's team. Now if you want, you can send it as JPEG or PNG. Let us go with PNG as it has higher quality. There you go. Awesome. Now if you go to Publer and onto media library, you will find the creative that we have sent. Fantastic, here you go. This is the creative that we have just sent and it is working seamlessly. And you can use this project for any of your project. Share, comment, subscribe, ring the bell and do all the good things you possibly can because this video is awesome. Now the most important thing, how do you disconnect Publer from Canva? Very simple, go to settings. And once onto your settings, go to connected apps and in the other apps you can see Canva, revoke it and you are all done. As simple as that. Confirm it and you're done. Beautiful, isn't it? I have a detailed workflow automation for Publer. Check description box for the video. I share valuable productive videos. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and ring that bell. Next time I upload a video, you know what to do. Be productive until I see you next time.